Hi guys, Bruce here. Well, it's mail day. And yes, mail day is always exciting around here, and it does seem to happen more at this time of year. But this mail day is really special. Because this mail was sent from the States on June 22nd. And I got it last week, the same week I got my eye done. Mid-December, late. No, it was just before Christmas, actually. Just a week before Christmas. I had a cataract, so I couldn't come out and film it right away. Sorry about that. In fact, that light's still pretty bright. Anyway, enough of me. This came from ZippoVarga. Great channel. I'll put his channel description in the comments, and you got to go sign up to his channel. He has the most interesting and humorous and informative channel. We've become friends on YouTube, and he sent me these two knives. Now, one is an SOG Twitch. Oh, first of all, look at the box he sent it to me, and the only reason I won't show you any of the shipping information, but it was pretty beat up by the time I got it, and it had a custom sticker wrapped around it from both the United States and from Canada. So I'll kind of start again with the mailing. He mailed it on June 22nd. It got into Canada on August 22nd, which took 2 exact months. And then the Canadian Postal Service was nice enough to hold on to it for another 4 months. So for 6 months, this thing went from outbasket, you know how big companies write, outbasket to in-basket to outbasket to in-basket, and I'm sure it was x-rayed and taken apart and taped back together and x-rayed, and what do we do? Well, they're just 2 jackknives. There's nothing outstandingly different about either one of these. There's no restriction on them in Canada, you know, like it's all fine. This one is the SOG, I'll just bring it down a bit now, SOG Twitch. It has a latch at the back, so in one position you can open it, and the next position up it's locked, right? So there you go. Isn't that beautiful? SOG Twitch. I think it's Twitch 2, if I'm not mistaken. Isn't it beautiful? And it is sharp, baby. Look at that. And I think it came like that because I don't see any marks on there. So that is about as nice a little lock back. That's what I call them. Lock back as you can get, eh? Isn't it beautiful? SOG Twitch. And with that, and because of my prairie roots, I think he sent me this one. This one's a sod buster. It's made by what I think is case. It's got a case blade number 2317 in it. And just look at the engraving on that, if I can get you there. Isn't that beautiful? Now to me, that's a jackknife. We call them jackknives. Folding knife. So yeah, pretty good deal actually when you think about it. Both postal services stored them for multi months, and they still charged him the same exorbitant rate that he paid back in June 22. So thank you, Zippo. And this one's nice too because once it locked, well, you can't hurt. Well, you can hurt yourself, but it's not going to fold on you and cut you. And even when it's in the out position, you can move that little lock back slide or do-hummer right there, and then it'll stay open too, right? Very, very, very nice. Thank you. And thanks for the old sod buster. Nice knife, eh? I'm just cleaning them with a rag, nothing else. So thank you very much, Zippo, and I will get this video up. we're in full winter here now. I don't usually talk about the seasons, but we're in, well, it's just after the first day of winter, but not around here. Winter comes in like November here. So thanks again, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.